In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effortlessly set up and access a free email account using Hostinger's platform. We'll walk you through each essential step, ensuring you can create and manage your email with confidence. So let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to log into your Hostinger account. This will take you to your H panel, which is essentially the control center for all your Hostinger services. Once you're in, you'll need to navigate to the email section. You can usually find it either in the TUM navigation bar or directly on your dashboard. Just give it a click when you spot it. Now, you're ready to initiate the setup process. Look for the option that says Set up free email service or simply Manage right next to your domain. Clicking on this will lead you to a page where you can create your new email account. The next task is to choose the domain you wish to use for this email address. If you have multiple domains with Hostinger, make sure to select the one that matches your brand or personal preference. Once you've picked the domain, you'll need to decide on the prefix for your new email. This is essentially the part that comes before the @ symbol. So for example, if you enter your name, your email address will look like yourname@yourdomain.com. Choose a prefix that represents either your name or something that's easily relatable to your purpose for the email. Creating a secure password is the next crucial step. Your password is your first line of defense against unwanted access, so it's important to make it strong and unique. Avoid obvious choices like birthdays or simple number sequences. Instead, consider a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols to ensure your email account remains secured. Once you've crafted that perfect password, go ahead and click the Create button. This is the moment that actually brings your email account to life. In just a few seconds, you'll find that your new email address is up and running. Now, after you've successfully created your account, you'll have the option to access your email in two convenient ways. You can choose to view your emails through webmail directly via your browser, which is great for on-the-go accessibility. Alternatively, if you have a preferred email client, you can configure it to integrate with your new email account. And there you go. You've now set up your very own free email account using Hostinger. By following these steps, you'll be able to manage your communications with ease, whether for personal projects or business endeavors. Thanks for tuning in, and happy emailing.